I'm Clinton Griffiths with today's AgDay Minute. The new $1.9 trillion coronavirus relief and stimulus package includes about $22 billion for nutrition and agriculture. Here's a breakdown from the American Farm Bureau Federation. There's $3.6 billion for food purchases, distribution, and pandemic response. $4 billion goes to debt forgiveness for socially disadvantaged farmers and ranchers, along with $800 million for the Food for Peace program to address hunger around the world. Now, the bill goes back to the House after winning approval in the Senate over the weekend. Despite the pandemic, Americans have started more than 4 million new businesses in the U.S. since last March. That number far exceeds the expected uptick that occurs during a recession when older businesses shut and more people find themselves unemployed. Well, in January alone, the Census Bureau reports there were nearly 500,000 new business starts in the U.S. Ever heard of a police cow? Well, officers in Savannah, Georgia found a cow wandering alongside Interstate 16 back in January. While they looked for her owners, they moved her into the stables where mounted officers keep their horses and named her Leona, a play on the initials for law enforcement officer. Weeks passed, no owner came forward, so police worked to find Leona a new home, and they found one at an animal sanctuary in New Jersey. For more Ag News, watch Ag Day weekdays on the station or anytime at agweb.com.